Hello students, welcome to SS classes. We are going to discuss about exercise 1.2 of class 10 advanced maths. And before going to the question directly, we will discuss about cross product of two sets. Okay, that is called Cartesian product of two sets. Here in the question itself given two sets A and B. We have to find A cross B and B cross A. So let us discuss first. Okay, before doing the solving the question, let us discuss what is cross product. Suppose A is a set, the elements are A, B and C, and another set B is there, the elements are say 1, 2 and 3. These are the two sets A and B, and I have to find A cross B. That is called a Cartesian product of A and B. We read it as A cross B. How to read it? A cross B. Now A cross B will be look like this, where the elements will be inside this bracket. Okay, in this way, after that we have to close the bracket again. Okay, here this is called order pair. Order pair. Okay, order pair you can say. Okay, order pair. Now here the elements of A and B will come here. Since we are going to find A cross B, that means the first set A, so the first component will be from A only. So what is the first component of A? The element is there in the set A is A, small a. Then A1 will come, then from A, then 2, then A3. For the first element, we have to take every element of the set B with the first element of the set A, and we will write in this bracket. So this is called an order pair. Then we have to write A2, A comma 2. That means the first element of the set A will come with every element of the set B. Then we have to check whether any other elements are left in the set A or not. So after A, since we have three elements in the set B, 1, 2, 3. So with A, we should write A1, A2, A3. Now after A, is there any other element in the set A? Yes, B is there. So again now for B, this every element will come. As an order pair, every element of the set B will come with B. So it will be look like B1, then B2, and you see in every order pair is separating by a comma. Okay, every order pair is separating by a comma here. Then we have B3, and this is called the first component. This is the second component. First component comes from the first set and the second component comes from the second set. Okay, if it is B cross A, then the first component will be from the set B only. Okay, so B, after B, is there any other element in the set A? Yes, C is there. So all the elements of the set B will also come as an order pair with C. Say C1, C2, C3. I have to write C1, C2 and C3. Okay, and we have to separate it by a comma. After C, there is no other element in the set A, so we have to close the bracket. You have to put the curly bracket again here. So this is the A cross B. So A cross B is also a set where the elements are some order pairs, where the first component of the order pair comes from the first set and the second component comes from the second set. The same thing we can get from the arrow diagram. So how to write the arrow diagram? First you have to write the set A and B. What are the elements? You just write it here, A, B and C. And the elements of the set B are 1, 2 and 3. Now this from this A, we have to put arrow diagram. Okay, you have to put an arrow to all the elements of the set B, because A1, A2, A3, in this way, for this first element of the set A, we have to make order pair with every element of the set B. If it is, if there is 4, then A4 should come. Any element is there, we have to write the order pair with every element of the set B. Okay, since we have 1, 2 and 3 only, so we have 3 order pairs for this element A. Again, for this element B also, we will get 3 order pair B1, B2 and B3. Then we left with C. Again C will be coming for 3 order pair with C1, then C2 and C3. Okay. For all these elements in the set A, we should have order pair with all the elements of the set B. Okay, the elements of the set B will be repeating here for all the elements of the set A. So for the first element A, we have 3 components, 3 elements in B. So 3 order pair will be for this element. Since we have 1, 2, 3 elements in the set B, so we should get 3 order pairs for the first element A. Now for this element B also, we will get 3 order pairs B1, B2, B3 here. These 3 elements are for the first element A. Then for B also we will get 3 order pair, and for C also we will get 3 order pair. For C also we will get 3 order pairs. Okay, so number of order pairs will depend on the number of elements in the second set. Number of elements in the second set. Since we are having 3 elements in the set B, therefore for every element in the set A, 3 order pair will be there. Okay, I hope you understood it, right? For this first element A, we will be getting 3 order pair A1, A2, A3. Since no elements are there in the set B other than 1, 2, 3, so we will get 3 order pair for A, 3 order pairs for B, and 3 order pairs for C. You see, suppose C is not there, then also for A we will be getting 3 order pairs, because number of elements in the set B are 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Number of elements are only 3 elements, 1, 2 and 3. So we will be getting 3 order pairs for each element in the set A. Okay, if only 2 elements are there in the set B A, then we will be getting 3 order pair for first element, 3 order pairs for the second element. Suppose 3 is not there, only we have 1 and 2, then we will be getting 2 order pairs for every element in the set A. For A we will be getting 2 order pairs, A1, A2, since 3 is not there. After A then we have B, so B1, B2. So since the ABC and 1, 2, 3 are the elements in the set A and B, so to tell how many order pairs will be there, that means how many elements will be there in the set A cross B, it depends on the number of elements in the set A and number of elements in the set B, and it will be equal to the product of number of elements in the set A and number of elements in the set B. That will be equal to number of A cross B. Number of A cross B means how many elements will be there in the set A cross B. It is equal to number of A into number of B. That means what is the number of elements in the set A? It is 3, and number of B is also 3. So total we should have 9 elements in the set A cross B or B cross A. It will be equal to number of B cross A also. Okay, number of A cross B and number of B cross A will be same. So here in this case we have 9 elements in the set A cross B or B cross A. So we are getting 3 order pair for A, 3 order pair for B, 3 order pair for C. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. Total we have 9 elements. And if D is there, then for D also 3 order pair will be there. So total we should have 12 elements, right? I hope you have understood it. Now if I have to find B cross A, what will be the elements? B cross A, then B will be the first set will be B, then A. So I have to write 1, 2, 3, then A, B and C. So similarly in the A cross B, here also we have 3 elements in the set A. So for the first element in the set B, we should have 3 order pairs. The order pairs will be 1A, 1B and 1C. For 2 also we will be getting 3 order pair, 2A, 2B, 2C, and for 3 also we will be getting 3 order pairs, 3A, 3B and 3C. Okay, so what will be the elements? B cross A will be equal to 1A, then 1B, 1C. After 1 we have 2, so 2A, then 2B and to C. After 2 we have 3, so 3A, then 3B, then 3C. After that, since we do not have any other elements, so we should close the bracket. Okay, so here also we are having 9 elements in the set B cross A. This is an element which is called an order pair. Okay, and if you see A1, the order pair, and 1A, are these two order pairs same? A1 and 1A, are these two same? No, these order pairs are not same because these are order pair. Okay, but if it is A1 and 1A, in this case these two sets are equal, but this is not. Okay, here the order does not matter. Here A1 and 1A, since it is a set, in a set the order of the elements does not matter, in whichever order you can write. But in case of order pair, this A means it is from the first set and this 1 is from the first set, but this is not equal. Here A and here it is 1, so these are not equal, right? Though we have the same elements here, you see A and 1, here also 1 and A, but order is different. You see here order matters. Here order matters because we have A here and here the second component is 1, but here the first component is 1, so it is not equal, right? But if it is A1 and here also we have A1, then these are equal. Or suppose I am writing here B and X. Suppose I am writing that these are equal. That means what? A is equal to B. If two order pairs are equal, that means the first component is equal to the first component and second component is also equal to the second component. Okay, this should be known to you. And other than this, you see, suppose this set is null set. Suppose this set is a null set. Then for this, you see, suppose this set is a null set. A, B, here we have A, B and C. And since we do not have any element, so for this, will you have any order pair here for this element and this element? Because no element is there in the set B. This is a null set. Null set means a set where no element exists. So this set B is a null set. So here if we find A cross B, no element will be present. Okay. For A and B, if any one of the two set A and B is a null set, then A cross B will also be A cross B here will also be a null set, and B cross A will also be a null set. Okay, number of A cross B will be equal to 0 and number of B cross A will also be equal to 0 because it is a null set. If any one of the two set is a null set, then the cross product of the two sets will be a null set again. Okay, I hope you have understood to this thing. Then after this we should go to the question itself. Okay, and another thing you have to write, or you can see, if the sets are some number, okay, if the elements are some number, say 1, 2 and 3, and B is a set where it will be 0, 1 and -1, then if I find A cross B, then the order pairs will be 1, 0, 1, 0, then 1, 1, then 1, -1. Then for 2 also we will have 2, 0, then 2, 1, then we have 2, -1. For 3 also we have 3, 0, then 3, 1, then 3, -1. Now you see, since all the elements are here, all the components in the order pairs, or you can say the elements in the two sets A and B are some numbers, maybe real number or any integer or any the natural number. Say these are some real numbers only. Then we can put it in the graph also. You know how to draw a graph, right? Say this is X, O, and this is X dash, this is Y, O, Y dash. Now I can put these numbers in 1, 2, 3. So you know the position of 1, position of 2, and position of 3, and position of -1. This is 0. Okay, this is 0, and we have the position of -1 here. Can we plot all these point in this plane? Yes, 1, 0, 1, 0. Here is the number 1, 0. Then it is 1, 1, 1, 1. Here it will be 1, 2, 3, it will be minus 1 like that only, right? Minus 2, minus 3. So here it will be 1, 1, then 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, here this point will be there, then 2, 0, this point, then 2, 1, this will be, and 2 minus 1, this one, 2, 0, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3 minus 1. So these points, this order pair can be located in the plane also, which is the Cartesian plane, right? So this is the graph over this set A cross B. All these elements in the set A cross B can be represented in this Cartesian plane, right? So this is the graph of this set A cross B. In this way, other graphs are also there. Okay, one is I have shown already the arrow diagram for this is the graph. This is the graph of this. Graph is possible only when the elements in the sets are some numbers only. Okay. But if you have some alphabets here, so alphabet cannot be put in the Cartesian plane. For that case, we will be having some coordinate diagram. Okay, that will be taught in the later classes. So first of all, you have to understand how to find A cross B and B cross A, and this is very easy for you. I think if you have understood this thing, then you can solve the question very easily here. So here you have given two sets A and B. Thus given, you can write here, given A is equal to 1, 3 and 5, and the set B is given as 2, 4 and minus 1. So we have three elements in both the sets A and B, and you can say number of A means number of elements in the set A, that is equal to 3. We have already learnt this Cartesian number, right, in the previous exercise, right? And number of B is equal to what? It is also equal to 3. Now we have to find what? A cross B. We have to find A cross B. Now what will be the elements of the set A cross B? You know that it is a set where the elements will be in the as a order pair. Okay. So I can draw the arrow diagram here. Write the first set. Since we are going to find A cross B, so first you have to write A, then the set B. Then what are the elements of set A? You just write it vertically. 1, 3, 5. Here B 2, 4, minus 1. Now you see, as we have already learnt that for this first element in the set A, we will get three order pairs for this element. What will be those three order pairs? 1 to 2, then 1 to 4 and 1 to minus 1. The number of elements in the set B will give you the number of order pairs for the element in the set A. Okay, for 1 we will get three order pair because 3 elements are there in the set B. If there are 4 elements, other elements is there, say 14, then 4 order pairs will come for the first element, and for the second element also 4 order pair will be there. But since we have 3 elements in the set B, we have 3 elements in the set B, that are 2, 4 and minus 1. So for every element in the set B, we will have an order pair with the element in the set A. Okay, these 2 will come with 1, these 2 will come with 3 also, these 2 will come with 5 also. Every element in the set B will be coming as an order pair with all the elements in the set A. So we can say this 1 will come with all the elements in the set B. This arrow diagram will tell you the order pair 1, 2, 1, 2. After an order pair, we have to put a comma here. Okay, the components are separated by a comma, as well as the order pairs are also separated by a comma. Then after 1, 2, we have 1, 4, 1, 4. Then we have 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. After 1, since we have completed all the elements in the set B, then we come to this second element 3. So for 3 also we will be getting 3 order pairs, 3, 2, then 3, 4 and 3, minus 1. So again we are having, you can write it here only, 3, 2, then 3, 4, then 3, minus 1. Okay, this, then after this I am not writing here, I am writing it here again. The elements are 4, 5, 5, 2, 5, 4 and 5, minus 1. 5, 2, then 5, 4, then 5, minus 1. Okay. After 5, do you have any other elements in the set A? No elements, so just close the bracket. So this is the set A cross B. Okay, this is the Cartesian product of the two set A cross B, and since all the elements are here some numbers only, we can represent this in the graph also. If we are asked to find a graph, then it will look like this only. What is the highest number? 1 to 5, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, minus 2. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be minus 1, minus 2. In this way, x, this will be y, this is origin, this is y dash, and it will be x dash. Here 1, 2, this is the 1 and 2, 1, 2, y coordinate is 2. So it will be 1, 2. This order pair is representing this. Then 1, 4, 1, 4, 3, 4. Here it will be the element 1, 4, the order pair 1, 4. Then 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. It will be here only. It is 1, minus 1. Then you have 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is the x coordinate, and this second component is coming as the y coordinate. So we have 3, 1, 2, 3. X coordinate we are given up to 3. Then for y coordinate we have 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it will be in the same horizontal line only for 3 only. This is what? 3, 2. Then we have 3, 4. 3, 4. This is the point. 3, 4. 3, 4. Then we have 3 minus 1. In the same horizontal line, it will be 3 minus 1. Then you have 5, 2. 5, 2. Here it will be 5, 2. Here it will be 5, 4. This will be the point. 5, 4 and 5 minus 1. This will be the point. 5 minus 1. Right. So these are the points. Right. These are the points which is the graph of this set A cross B. Okay. I hope you have understood. Other part is left in the question, that is B cross A. So what will be B cross A? B cross A will be the opposite one, right? So this 2, 4 minus 1 will be here. B and A, 2, 4 minus 1, 1, 3 and 5. You see for 2 we will have 2, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 5. 2, 1, then 2, 3, then 2, 5. Then you have 4, 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. 4, 1, 4, 3, then 4, 5. Then after that we have minus 1, 1, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 5. Minus 1, 1, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 5. Do you have any other elements left in the set B? You have to check it whether any element is left in the set B or not. Up to 1 we already written all the order pairs 4 minus 1. So since there is no other element, so we have to close it. If any element is left in the set B, then we have to go for that element also. So here again we are getting 9 elements. Now here the question, other question is also there. Find the number of elements in A cross B and B cross A. So what is the number of elements? If you count it, you will get 9 elements in the set A cross B and B cross A. Both are equal. So number of A cross B equal to number of B cross A. You have to remember that number of A cross B and number of B cross A will be always same. It will depend on the number of A into number of B. What is number of A? 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. So we will have 9 elements in the two sets A cross B and B cross A. So this was the first question of this exercise 1.2, and we have learned here about Cartesian product of two sets. Okay. I hope you have understood how to find the Cartesian product of two sets. If 3 sets are there ABC, then we have to go for the another set. Okay. Suppose C is there, then we have to go for C also. And how it will be, I will show it in the question itself. There are some other questions also where we will be dealing with 3 sets, right? In that case, I will show you how to find the Cartesian product of 3 sets. Or for any number of sets, you can find the Cartesian product. Okay. So for this question, it was A cross B, where 9 elements are there, and for B cross A we will also have 9 elements. But here you see the elements are interchanged here. The first component is coming as the second component in the B cross A. In A cross B, the first component was 1. Here the first component is coming as second component. The first component of the A cross B are coming as a second component in the B cross A. Okay, you see 1 2 is there, so 2 1 is there. 1 4 is there, then 4 1 will be there in B cross A. So I can ask you one question here, that if AB belongs to A cross B, what it means? It means the first component belongs to the first set, A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Okay. Now if I ask, will B cross B comma A belongs to B cross A? Yes or no? You have two options, yes, no. If I say AB belongs to A cross B, then will B cross B BA, the order pair BA will be an element in the set B cross A. So your answer should be yes or no. You can write it in my comment box. Okay, the answer will be yes or no. You have to write it in the comment box. AB belongs to A cross B. Okay, from this I understood that the first component belongs to the first set and the second component belongs to the second set. Now my question is, will this order pair BA in the set B cross A? Okay, is this an element of the set B cross A? This is my question. Your answer should be yes or no. Okay, you can mention it in the comment box. Okay, I will check it there and I will reply to that comment. Okay, so for today's class it is okay. Tomorrow we will be discussing about question number 2. Okay, thank you.